Selection tool. The selection tool lets you select text and graphics frames. It also allows you to work with an object using its bounding box. Direct selection tool. The direct selection tool lets you select the contents of a frame, such as a placed graphic, or work directly with editable objects, such as paths, rectangles, or type that has been converted to a text outline. Pen tool. The pen tool is the most flexible among the standard drawing tools. It creates a series of bezier splines. As long as you simply click and release, InDesign creates straight lines. Add anchor point tool. The Add Anchor Point tool allows you to add a point, which is a simple way to change a path. This helps you turn one shape into another. Delete Anchor Point tool. The Delete Anchor Point tool allows you to delete points from a path without causing a break in the path. Convert Anchor Point tool. The Convert Direction Point tool allows you to change the control handles around an anchor point. This changes the shape of the segments controlled by that anchor point. Type tool. The Type tool is used to create text frames. These frames are where you type text. The frames are also resizable and movable. Type on a Path tool. The Type on a Path tool is used to type on an object's path. Pencil tool. The Pencil tool is used to draw open and closed paths as if you were drawing with a pencil on paper. It is most useful for fast sketching or creating a hand-drawn look. Erase tool. The Erase tool removes existing paths or stroke. You can use the Erase tool on paths, but not on text. Line tool. The Line tool creates straight lines. Rectangle frame tool. The Rectangle frame tool creates rectangle frames into which you place images. Ellipse frame tool. The Ellipse frame tool creates ellipse frames into which you place images. Polygon frame tool. The Polygon frame tool creates polygon frames into which you place images. Rectangle tool. The Rectangle tool creates rectangle shapes that can hold text or be filled with color. Polygon tool. The Polygon tool creates polygon shapes that can hold text or be filled with color. Ellipse tool. The Ellipse tool creates ellipse shapes that can hold text or be filled with color. Rotate tool. The Rotate tool changes the orientation, or angle, of the object on the page. Free Transform tool. The Free Transform tool provides a way to perform any transformation, such as rotating and scaling. Eyedropper tool. The Eyedropper tool can copy the character, paragraph, fill, and stroke attributes, and then apply those attributes to other type or objects. Gradient tool. The Gradient tool lets you change the direction of a gradient, its beginning point and end point, and apply a gradient across multiple objects. Hand tool. The Hand tool allows you to move around within the area of the document. Gradient Feather tool. The Gradient Feather tool allows you to fade an object into the background. Note tool. The Note tool allows you to take notes on the items displayed on the page for future reference. Zoom tool. The Zoom tool allows you to magnify or reduce the display of any area in your document window.